Understanding Symphony Review in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of music and language with our topic, Symphony Review. It's a phrase that blends art and critique, and we're going to explore its meaning and usage in English. Whether you're a music enthusiast or an English learner, this video will help you understand and use this phrase confidently. Let's break down the phrase, Symphony Review. A symphony is a large-scale musical composition, typically for an orchestra. It's known for its complexity and length, often telling a story or expressing deep emotions through music. The word review, in this context, refers to a critical assessment or evaluation. So, a symphony review is an evaluation or critique of a symphony, often discussing its quality, composition, and the performance of the orchestra. Why are symphony reviews important? They serve several purposes. 1. Educational tool. For music students and enthusiasts, reviews provide insights into the technical and artistic aspects of a symphony. 2. Guidance for audiences. They help the general public decide which performances might be worth attending. 3. Feedback for performers and composers. Reviews can offer constructive feedback to those involved in creating and performing symphonies. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. Example review. The orchestra's rendition of Beethoven's Fifth Symphony was breathtaking, with a particularly stirring performance of the Allegro con brio. Contextual usage. I read a fascinating symphony review in the newspaper today. It made me want to attend the concert myself. If you're interested in writing a symphony review, remember these key points. 1. Understand the music. Familiarize yourself with the symphony's history and composition. 2. Be observant. Pay attention to the performance's nuances, like the conductor's style or the orchestra's coordination. 3. Be articulate. Express your thoughts clearly and provide specific examples from the performance. I hope this video helps you understand what a symphony review is and how you can appreciate or even write one. Remember, it's all about blending your knowledge of music with the art of critique. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next English language learning adventure.